A bright morning to all of 10th class students. Yesterday we have completed 1.2 and 1.3 question number first means one type, and first question statement was prove that square root 5 is irrational. This is the first type. Okay, in the homework 5 questions was given from my side. Right now the second type of this exercise is question number second. Okay, and from this exercise one question definitely come in the exam. Only two types are there. Second type is prove that 3 plus 2 under root 5 is irrational number. So again same as per the first question, we will solve it by using the contradiction method. So let 3 plus under root 5 is a rational number, and you know very well rational number as we write in the form of p by q, where p and q are co-prime integers and q is not equal to 0. Here are two terms, first term and this one is the second term. Take without square root term on the right side. This term is in the square root, then take 3 on the right hand side. Here in the addition form, and in right hand side it in the subtraction form. So take LCM, p minus 3q upon q. Again 2 is multiplied with under root 5, then it will come in the right hand side and it will divide the complete term, okay, in the division form. So p minus 3q upon 2q. You know very well in left hand side we have proved that under root 5 is an irrational number in question number first, because this is the prime number and square root of the prime number is always irrational number, you know very well. In right hand side p, 3, q, 2 all are integers. So integers without square root make a rational number. So p minus 3q upon 2q is a rational number. But you know very well irrational number is never equal to rational number, and here both are equal. Irrational number is equal to rational number, which is a contradiction. So our position is wrong. What was the position? This is rational number. If position is wrong, then it convert into the irrational number. Hence 3 plus 2 under root 5 is a irrational number. Okay, got it? Next, similarly same third first part of the third question is prove that 1 by n root 2 is a irrational number. Same as the second question. First of all, at 1 by n root 2 is a rational number. By using the contradiction method we use it. Okay, 1 by n root 2 is a rational number. 1 by n root 2 is equal to p by q. You know very well where p and q are co-prime integers and q is not equal to 0. 1 by root 2. Root 2 in the denominator. Okay, when root in the denominator we will always do the rationalize. Here also again same, do the rationalize. Multiply and divide with under root 2. Under root 2 into 1 is under root 2. Under root 2 into under root 2 is square root 2 into square root 2 is 2. In right hand side p by q. Here 2 is in the division form, then multiply on the right hand side. So square root 2 is equal to 2p upon q. 2 is a prime number and square root of a prime number is always a irrational number. We have proved it on yesterday. Square root 2 is an irrational number. In right hand side 2p q are integers. So 2p upon q is a rational number. But irrational number is never equal to rational number, which is a contradiction. Hence 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. Hence 2. Okay, come on second part. Prove that 7 into under root 5 is an irrational number. So same as the contradiction method is a rational number. Under root 7 is equal to p by q, where p and q are co-prime integers and q is not equal to 0. Then take 7 on right hand side, it will divide p by 7 cube. Then similarly, as per the previous question, left hand side, square root 5 is an irrational number. In right hand side, p7 cube are integer. So p upon 7 cube is a rational number, but irrational number is not equal to rational number, which is a contradiction. So our position is wrong. Hence 705 is an irrational number. Got it? Next, same. Prove that 6 plus under root 2 is irrational. Same, let this is a rational number. Rational number always write in the form of p by q, where p and q are co-prime integers and q is not equal to 0. Then take 6 on right hand side. Here in left hand side is addition form, in the right is subtraction form. Take the LCM. Same in left hand side, square root 2 is an irrational number. In right hand side, p, q, 6 are integer. So p minus 6q upon q is a rational number, but irrational number is never equal to rational number, which is a contradiction. So our position is wrong. Hence 6 plus under root 2 is irrational. 6 under root 2 is irrational number. Okay, then this is the completion and complete 1.3 is finished. Okay, then today homework is do exercise 1.3 with examples, and another one question is there. Prove that square root 2 plus square root 3 is irrational number. If you will do it this question, there is no problem. Otherwise, if you have any difficulty, then tomorrow I will discuss this second question. Okay. And if any student have any problem regarding to this video, in this, if you have any doubt, then make a call to me directly between 5 to 5:30. During the period 5 to 5:30, you can make a call me directly on this number, same number. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay at home. Be safe. Thank you, beta.